Hey everyone, and welcome to FIVO BI services. Today, we're diving into Power BI, Microsoft's incredible business intelligence tool. Now, if you've ever felt overwhelmed with data or you wanted to turn raw numbers into actionable insight, then Power BI is your best friend. It's really all about making data visually appealing. It's all about making insights clear to the point where it seems like you're telling a story with your numbers. Really, think of it as a data translator. Stick around because we're going to go deep and we're going to unlock its power. So stay tuned in this series as we unlock Power BI's power. So that's it for our intro. The next video, we're going to go deeper into, some concepts in Power BI and basically connect to different data sources. Then from there, we go to different transformations that you can do with data, different use cases before we finally land into, the powerful visualization that I believe is the flagship when it comes to Power BI. So stay tuned.